SWMM and InfoSWM Designer, a genetic algorithm tool that helps you design pipes, basically maximizes or optimizes the D over D for your pipes, storages, and pumps, as well as other features. How do you run this? Well, basically you give it the sort of like the classic constraints: the maximum D over D, the max velocity, the min velocity, the max hydraulic grade line, your various weights, what pipes you're looking at, and what the goal is for that particular pipe. So these are the goals, these are the pipes that you're looking at. You give it a weight and it does a cost, basically an analysis, and tries to minimize the cost. You then have a, along with the conduits, you also have pumps, storages, design, and wet well groups, pipe design, so you can actually design the Manning's N as well, and Hazen-Williams, and the depth. So you can maximize the depth, the width, the width if you have a rectangular conduit, the roughness, and the D over D. The way this works is you give it constraints. So you come over here to run, and you give it options. And the options are penalty costs and weighting factors. So you can actually do a multiple fitness. Basically, you can weight various things. You can weight the cost of the velocity, the min velocity, the head loss, the D over D. You give it convergence criteria. You give it a lot of really slick genetic algorithm options to run the model. And once you run the model, you get a solution. And the solution tells you what the penalty is for that design. So you can actually get 10 possible solutions, so you get to pick the solution that works best for you. It gives you a solution report, what the cost is for each report. It gives you the design cost. It gives you evolution summary. It tells you what happened during each of the iterations of the genetic algorithm. Finally, it gives you the actual solution. What is the new pipe? What is the new Manning's? What is the new storage? What is the new pump? What is the new pump solution? What was a conduit penalty? In other words, based on your D over D, what did the algorithm actually find? Finally, and most important, you get to apply these solutions to your data set. So you apply it to a pipe data set. You can apply this to a future data set based on your base conditioned. How do you set this up? Well, this is set up as a project add-on. So you click on add-on, and it's just like Calibrator, CSS, Driver Flow Allocator, and SWM Live. It's an add-on. So this has been a little bit about the designer tool in InfoSWM and H2O-MapSWM. It helps you design pipes, pumps, storage facilities, and especially for conduits, it also helps you to estimate the roughness and the pipe diameter to meet D over D criteria. And again, it's looking at the costs, except in a good short introduction to InfoSWM and H2O-MapSWM Designer. Thank you for listening.